Hey guys, it's Rachel from Gluten Freedom here once again, and today I've got a fun recipe done two ways, whether you're looking for something sweet for dessert or something simple for breakfast. And I'm again partnering with St. Anne's Bakery, and today we're featuring their granola. We're going to put together a very simple parfait bowl today. Now, I'm sure you have put together your own parfait bowls. For me, I like to do it a little strategically because I don't think that it just needs yogurt or milk of some sort and granola. I like to layer in as many different ingredients as possible to get those nutrients that will get me through the day. Today, I'm using an unsweetened coconut yogurt. We're gonna just dollop at the bottom of our mason jars here. And then I'm going to take a healthy scoop of the granola here. And if only you could smell it, the aromas of cinnamon and toasted coconut are coming through. And then I just got some fresh fruit that I cut up here. Some raspberries and actually some frozen blackberries. So I'm going to layer that on both sides here. I'm actually just going to layer in, I've got some antioxidant rich ingredients such as this bee pollen, and I'm going to use some cacao nibs. I have fun with it. I honestly just use whatever I have on hand. If I have lots of superfoods and topping type ingredients, then I'll go nuts with it, and if I don't, then I'll keep it more simple. And then I'm just going to go through the process again. So I'm going to layer one more of the yogurt, the granola. Yeah, of course. I'm going to add a little bit more fruit. I'm going to do a drizz. Just dip my honey over top. And there you have it, a really, really simple parfait that looks super gourmet. It took less than 5 minutes to throw together. And you can make it in bulk, which I love doing to have for the remainder of the week. Or you could really just whip it up as you're heading out the door and make sure that you are adding in all of those nutrient-rich ingredients so that you are full and satiated throughout the morning. Now, this is the breakfast version. In the next segment or next section of this video, I'm going to show you how to turn this into a delicious dessert for one, or if you've got a dinner party, you can definitely make it in bulk. So now we're going to take this granola party to the evening. So if you're feeling like you got a bit of a sweet tooth after dinner, or you've got some friends over for dinner and you want to whip up something super easy, I'm going to direct you to another awesome St. Anne's product, which are their fully vegan ice cream line. So we've got a strawberry rhubarb, a chocolate, and then a classic coconut. And I'm going to mix that in a bowl. And I'm going to add in some of the granola for the texture because I'm all about the mixtures of different textures and flavors in a dish. And that crunch will be a nice addition to the ice cream. And then I'm going to zhuzh it up with some of those toppings that we added to our breakfast parfaits. This is something that I love whipping together. If I've got friends over and I'm like, crap, I didn't get a dessert, this is a great option because it satisfies not only the gluten-free, it also satisfies the dairy-free or vegan friends of mine, and it just tastes really awesome. I mean, the coconut base makes it super, super creamy, and they sweeten with a bit of maple syrup. And what's really awesome is that they actually grow all of their produce on the property, so you're getting it as fresh as possible when it comes to the different ingredients that they mix into the flavors. So I'm going to scoop one of each of these flavors into a bowl here, and then I'm going to sprinkle on some granola. So if you're a health nut like me and you love to make everything, even if it is an indulgent treat, a little healthier, then you'll love what I'm doing here. So what I did is I diced up some apples and I just sauteed them on a pan over medium heat for about 10 minutes with a bit of coconut oil and a bit of cinnamon. And what it does is it creates a really aromatic, and it brings out the sweetness of the apples, softens them a little bit. It's really nice contrast, like I said, to the cold ice cream. So I also can add in some additional superfoods if that's what you please, or if you just want it to be a little more indulgent, that's totally up to you. I think I'm going to leave it like this for today because it looks awesome. The granola's got lots of nutrients, and then we've got antioxidants from the berries, and then some additional nutrients from the cinnamon, the coconut oil, and those apples. So without further ado, I'm going to dig in. I might share this or I might not. Haven't decided yet.